Hey guys, jumping on really quick to just kind of fill you in. Many of you know that recently we have had catastrophic historic floods here in central Louisiana. We had 30 inches of rain in like 12 hours in one spot, very close to our church's community. So we jumped in to do the best that we could. God was with us because everyone else around us flooded, but our church didn't, and it doesn't even make sense, but thank you, Jesus. Our property flooded, but our house did not because it's up off the ground. So many others did. So, immediately we jumped in. I just want to kind of fill you in, give you a little testimony. That's why I haven't been posting lately, because it's been nonstop of us trying to help others in need. Of course, immediately people didn't have electricity, their homes were flooded. So I did the best that I could. I just, cooked a bunch of meals, at least, the first night or two, so that people could have something to eat. So in my own kitchen, I cooked, maybe 150 plates worth of jambalaya meals. And we went to our church and distributed that. And God blessed that obedience, because that's how He works. You're faithful in the little that you have, and He will supply what you could not do. You take that little step of faith, and He releases grace to do above and beyond what you could hope or imagine. Because the next day, without us asking anyone, we started getting calls from the sheriff's department if they could come and set up to distribute aid at our church as well, because of the location and because we were still high and dry. So I did it alone in my kitchen the first night, and God was probably looking down from heaven saying, heaven help her, literally. And He did. The next day He sent us a sheriff, He sent us a senator, He sent us maybe 70 volunteers to help, cooks. He sent us they brought all the food, they brought everything. We fixed about 350 plates. We were able to pray with the community, those in need, help them out, give them what they need, be encouragement to them. But I wanted to show you this because on this channel, so often, I do these videos on how you can feed a lot of people with a little, because times are hard and things are expensive, but also because of things like this, where in emergency situation, you can do something. You wouldn't think, like, it really didn't cost me that much. I think maybe $60 I spent. I was able to fix maybe 150 plates and distribute them. So I have a little bit of video clips from the guy that cooked for us for the sheriff's department distribution that we did the next day, and he did 320 plates, and I think it cost about $1.20 to $1.50 a plate. And so we'll look through that, and I'll explain to you how he did it, give you a few clips of the floods and the disaster relief and the things we've been up to lately. We've been out unloading 18-wheelers, distributing things, ripping carpets out of people's houses and tearing walls out and trying to help them to mitigate it, because in this horrible Louisiana heat, it does not take long at all for mold to set in. So you have to move very, very, very quick. So we've been extremely busy helping people. That's why I haven't been posting. So sorry about that. I know I'm a little chatty, just trying to fill you in. If you want to donate or help us to help people, I will put a link in the description of where you can send financial donations, and we will get that to the people that need it. But here we go. This is how we cooked for hundreds and hundreds of people. Hey guys, we have an emergency in our area, local flooding, but we have some local heroes out to help us to feed the community. They're out of power, they're out of their homes are flooded. So we're providing meals. The sheriff's department came out to help us. We have a local hero here to help cook. And so we want to help you to understand how you can feed a whole lot of people in an emergency for just a little bit of money. So I'm going to let him give you the logistics on how he put this jambalaya together. That just did, how many plates you think we did?
We did about 325.
325 plates.
What's quick? How many people you want to feed? Say if you want to feed 325 people, I normally use a 30-gallon pot, and thanks to the sheriff and the sheriff department, and I go around cooking all over the place for people. And you're looking about $450 to feed about 350 people if I cook a jambalaya and white beans.
All right.
Yeah.
So you're looking probably less than $1.20 a person.
Yeah, about that much. It probably averages around about $1.50 a person per plate. Yeah.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
And we don't skimp on them. We got to make sure we give them a hot meal and take care of our people in our community, which we do go all over the place, not just in Point Coupee Parish. We go wherever we need it. The sheriff calls, says I got to go cook here, I'll go cook there. Yeah, and so we plan on doing another cooking Tuesday and Wednesday up in the Vols Parish, because they still flooding over there. Right now the water's still rising. As you can see, it's probably in the picture, it's still raining right now, and they got a lot of people that they still trying to rescue and get them out of their houses. Got some houses out there pretty deep. There's over to the roof line, and so we got everybody all hands on deck. And so my little part is to cook and give a little joy to somebody and let them have a hot meal that's been stressed out and have no place to live right now because of the high water and this tragedy we having right now.
All right, guys, so give a little shout out, some love to Sergeant Andy, and if you want to make donations to the flood relief, we'll put a link in the description and in the comments where you can donate to help those in need.
All right, guys, just wanted to fill you in on where we've been and what's been happening and why we haven't been posting. We will get back to posting very soon, so make sure that you like, share, and subscribe. Do all of those things that keep you notified, and I will make a video to show you exactly how to make a jambalaya, break down the cost, show you how inexpensively it is, and exactly how I did it to feed all these people on such a small budget. But we just wanted to let y'all know that we haven't forgotten about you, so please don't forget about us. Lift the communities that have been flooding up in your prayers. Thanks for watching, and we will be back posting very soon. Love you guys. God bless.